Hello, hello. We continue to work through examples of word problems about reverse percentages. I will explain what I mean by reverse percentages after we read this problem. A store orders some boxes of a new brand of cereal from their supplier. The supplier gives the store an additional 3%. How kind! Additional 3% of the number of boxes ordered as free samples. The store received 1,648 boxes in all. How many boxes did the store order in the beginning? Let's look at what is given. I hope you see this pattern of before and after. Something was there before, and then something happened after. Let's figure it out. Before, a store placed an order. Originally, right? That's what happened. A store placed an order for X number of boxes. We do not know how many. What happened? A supplier gave the store 3% more as samples. 3% increase, right? They gave them some free samples for their customers. And after that, the store received 1,000, oh, not dollars, these are not dollars, 1,648 boxes. My friends, this is a before and after type of problem. We do not know how many boxes the store ordered in their original order, but we know that they received 1,648 boxes, which included 3% as freebies. Therefore, what's important is to realize that the store received 103% of their original order. And of course, the benchmark, their original order, was 100%. The reason I call this, or many teachers call them, reverse percentage problems. Reverse percentage is because we have to kind of work backwards. We have to find out what was the original order. So let's set up the problem. In fact, they've already given it to you. 1,103% is 1,048 boxes. The key is to calculate 1%. That is an important benchmark that will allow you to figure out anything you want after that. How do we find 1%? Well, by the way, I can write it down myself. 1,648 boxes is 103%. What are they asking us to find? X boxes, which is the original 100% of the order. The intermediate step we must complete is we must solve 1%. How do we solve 1%? We must divide by 103. What we do on the left, we must do on the right. Divide by 103. You can look at it that way. So it is 1,648 divided into 103, and that allows us to figure out 1%. So let's write it here. 1,648 boxes divide by 103. I can look at it like this. We divide by 103 on the left of our proportion. Therefore, what we do to the left, we must do to the right. And 1648 divided by 103 comes up to beautiful 16 boxes. Let me write it down. This is 16 boxes. And this is 16. Once we know 16 boxes is 1%, it is easy to figure out that 1,600 boxes was the original order. Now, can we check our work and work backwards to figure out if we were correct? The store ordered 1,600 boxes. But the supplier was really nice and gave them 3% on top of that order as freebies. 3% of 1,600 is 48 extra boxes. At the end, the store received 1,648 boxes altogether. Therefore, we solved the problem correctly. The original order was 1,600 boxes. I call them reverse percentage problems because we need to figure out what was the quantity ordered before. I hope you found this problem helpful.